Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: a device, YouTube app or browser, and an account. Open YouTube, search for a song or artist, then create a playlist immediately. This gives continuous playback. Add tracks by tapping the three-dot menu or dragging on desktop. That cues them in order. Once done, name the playlist so you can reuse it. Do this because a curated playlist prevents interruptions and makes shuffle, repeat, and cast controls predictable and reliable for a longer listening session. Now refine the list. Reorder tracks or use Add to Queue when you want temporary changes. Drag and drop on desktop for precise placement. Make sure autoplay and shuffle are set as you prefer. Repeat a single video or whole playlist for non-stop listening. If you need consistent streams, lower video quality to 480p to save data without losing audio fidelity. For improved control, install the YouTube PWA or cast to a speaker. These let you control playback without keeping the app fully open. Hit play and test controls. Use the lock screen widget or headset buttons. They work once background play is enabled. If you want room sound, cast to Chromecast or pair Bluetooth. Make sure the device is on the same network. To finalize, save the playlist for offline use if you have premium, and pin the app or add a home screen widget for quick access. If something breaks, pause, clear app cache, restart the app, and verify background play permissions. That resolves most playback issues immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.